Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hi guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about something completely different, something I never talked about before on my channel, and that is how much I get paid being a small YouTuber. So I wrote down some notes because I wanted to make sure that I discussed every single thing that I've been through, how I got to where I am, how much I get paid, how you can tell how much you get paid, all that stuff. So yeah, I just had to jot down notes so that I can, discuss everything. So first things first, I've been on YouTube since January 12th, 2011. So I've been on YouTube for 9 years now, and I only have about 3,758 subscribers, but I have 383,672 views. So being that I have that many views but that many subscribers, I'm not getting paid that much money here on YouTube. The first thing I wanted to talk about is how to get monetized, how you would know if you monetized, and how much money you would get. I think I first got monetized back in 2016. I remember because YouTube sent me like this envelope, and I'm not sure if they still send out envelopes, but they sent you an envelope saying congratulations, you were monetized. Now you can start actually getting paid here on YouTube. So in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and you need to have at least 4,000 watch time. So obviously I told you how many subscribers I count, so I'm really way past the subscriber count that you need to be monetized, and I'm very much way past the watch time views that you need. Before I was monetized, I had the watch time views because I had the videos uploaded and I was getting a lot of views on my videos, but I didn't have the subscriber account to get monetized. So my videos were getting viewed, but I wasn't getting paid for them yet. So it was just like I needed to get myself 1,000 subscribers so I can finally get paid for my views. Once I did that, I got the 1,000 subscribers, I already had the view count, I finally got monetized. I still wasn't making enough money on YouTube because at that point I wasn't uploading and wasn't being consistent on YouTube as I needed to be, so I wasn't getting as much money as I wanted or as I liked. So I think for like every couple of videos I would upload, and I wasn't uploading that many videos. I probably upload a video probably like 3, 4, maybe 5 times a year. I probably make like a couple of dollars here, a couple of dollars there. But when you're monetized on YouTube and you're getting the money, unless you reach a certain type of threshold, you're not getting the money that you're making from the videos. So with that being said, in order to get paid from the YouTube videos, you need to make over $100. So it's a threshold that you're going to see, and I'm going to put it here on the screen. So that's a threshold that you got to make, and once you reach that threshold of $100, then the money will be deposited into your bank account. I know my first YouTube check, I think it was a check, like it was actual paper check, but then after a while they just did direct deposit. So now the money does direct deposit right into your bank account. So for the first couple of months, or not even a couple of months, for the first couple of years, my payments were really low. Like I was getting like a couple of dollars here, a couple of dollars there. I wasn't really getting the money to meet the threshold, so therefore I wasn't getting paid. This is my revenue, so this shows you how much money that I'm making on YouTube right now, but this is not how much money I'm gonna get paid. Since you get paid every 21st of every single month, I still have enough time to make the money that I need to get paid. So right now I'm at $191.88 as of today, but by the time the 21st roll around, it's going to get more money. Every single day it goes up and down depending on your views, because it's still calculating how much money you're going to get. So right now it's telling you that I have $191.88 that I made so far. And then if you scroll down here, it tells you the monthly estimated revenue, the top earning videos, which videos brought me in the most money that I uploaded on YouTube, my revenue sources, my ad ad types, and I'm gonna explain ad types and stuff like that. But first we're gonna go here to the monthly estimated revenue. So I'm gonna click here on see more, and then it shows you which month brought me in the most money and when I got the most money. So if I scroll down here, and also right here, this is the last 365 days from September the 9th of last year to September today. It's telling me how much money that I got paid on YouTube altogether. So right here, it was $852.38 that I got paid since this 1 year been on YouTube. So from September last year, you can see that I only made $15.29 because I'm pretty sure I wasn't uploading as many videos as I needed to or wanted to. I wasn't consistent, and I was just like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna upload a video when I feel like it, basically. October here, I think I did upload a video, but even if I didn't upload a video, that means more people was coming to watch the videos that I did upload already. So I was getting a little bit more money, another $1 the next month, which is not really any money. Because if I made $24 in October and then November, all I got was like $1 upcharge, $1 some change upcharge. It was like, what are you doing? So then, you know, December it went up, and then as you can see, January, February, March, and April, it went down like all the way down to like almost, as you can see, 18, 19, 16, $15 in April. So April, back just like in September, I was making the less amount money. Then out of nowhere, I was like, okay, we're in quarantine. I can be uploading more videos to make more money because we're sitting home. People are watching videos, so I need to be more consistent with uploading videos. So as you can see here in May, I started making a little bit more money than before, and then June, July, and August, I made a lot of money here on YouTube. So you can see how much money I made and how much money I brought in. So like I told you guys before, once it reached over a certain threshold, you would get that money deposited into your account. So as you can tell, June was when I made the most money. I made $206.40. That is the most money I made here on YouTube. And then July, you know, it went back down to 183, and then August it went up to 198, which is how much money I'm at now. But like I told you, I'm only at the beginning of the month. So I realized, okay, so I'm really getting paid. I need to be consistent. I need to upload more videos. I need to try to get you guys to come subscribe and watch my videos. So then that's right here is money, how much money I get paid. Okay, so AdSense is where you're going to get paid from YouTube. So you need to also go to Google AdSense and then put in all your information there. So if you want to know how to directly put in your money in your bank account so you can get paid, it is called googleadsense.com. It tells me right now that my balance is at 0 because Google and YouTube has not calculated the money that goes into my account. It always does that the week before you get paid. So if you get paid the 21st of every single month, the week before the 21st, they're going to say, okay, Danielle, you're going to get paid exactly this much money, and this much money is going to be deposited into your bank account. So since I'm not getting paid yet, this just going to show blank, and it's just going to show 0 all across the screen because it's not done calculating because it's still the beginning of the month. So it tells you right here payments and stuff like that. This is where you put in your so this is telling me where I got paid, how much money my last payment was, which is August 21st. View these transactions. So it tells me how much and these are from the last 3 months. From the last 3 months, it's telling me how much I got paid. From this year, it's telling me how much I got paid. These are my payments amount right here. And remember, like I said, until it reach $100 threshold, you will not get that money. So it's just gonna basically roll over to the next month. So this month I only made $50, and then the next month I made $50. It's gonna combine the $50, and then next month you're gonna get the $100 that you're supposed to got paid. So that's how it works. Unless it reach that $100 threshold, you're not gonna get paid the money that you're supposed to get paid. So this shows me the amount of money I had got paid. And really this right here was my largest YouTube check, was $279. So as you can see, it combined 2 last paychecks from May, and then because May was $72, but obviously because it wasn't a full $100, I couldn't get it. And then this paycheck, I think it was like 200 and something dollars. So it just combined that. Cause remember, it was like 200 and something dollars plus the $72. So it just combined that, and then that's what I got paid from this, which was my largest YouTube paycheck right here, $279.20. So if you go back here, and we're gonna go back to this. So all this reads all your information, your subscriber count, your watch time, your views, and how many more views you're gonna get. So like I said, this tells me right here the most video that got me the most views. It also tells me when the time I got the most views. So right here I got 82 views today from 3 to 4 because obviously a lot of people was watching, and this is how many views I got in the last 48 hours right here. Scrolling down, my revenue. Okay, so my ad types, I obviously get paid for skippable ads. I get paid the most money from this, and the skippable ads are the ads that goes, okay, you can skip this ad in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the one I make the most money on. So you might want to, if you want to make a lot of money, you might want to turn that on in your YouTube settings, so you can start making money from that too. So I'm going to show you guys how much money since I've been on YouTube altogether. So if I go here and then I click lifetime since I've been on YouTube, the whole time I've been on YouTube, I made $1,570.34. Remind you, I've been on YouTube since 2011, but I was not monetized until 2016. So in what, almost 5 years, I made only $1,000. It's a lot of people that make more than that, but that's why you got to be consistent. So here you can tell where I was not really doing anything and I wasn't making any money because, you know, I wasn't monetized yet, obviously. Then you can see here where it started picking up when I was making like a couple of cents, and I'm like, okay, you know, some dollars are picking up in there. Dollars, cents. And this was in 2017 when I wasn't taking that serious still, not taking that serious in 2018. And then for some odd reason in 2019 and 20, I was getting like big bucks, big dollars, and making a lot of money here in this amount of time. So my top earning video, when I make the most videos, my estimated ad revenue right here, and my skippable ads. So that is it basically. So I showed you guys basically everything. I probably wish I would have known, because when I did first start making money, I was a little confused about all these things. I did watch a couple of videos, but a couple of videos, they broke down certain things, but they didn't break down enough things that I needed to know. Also, everybody's amount is going to be different because, you know, views are different from every different videos. People like more videos than most videos. So this is just how much money that I got paid since I've been on YouTube, how much I got paid since I've been monetized on YouTube, and how much I've made while being more consistent during this pandemic. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't forget to let me down know in the comment section. I'm more than willing to help and answer those questions. That is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.